Hi there. So if square root was easy, cube root is going to be super easy. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so here I have taken some examples. So the first one is 17576, the cube root of 17516, which is 26, and the cube root of 148877, which is 53, and the cube root of 493039, which is 79. So let's see how we can do these big numbers and get the answer in a few seconds. So again, like in square roots, we need to jot down these, the cubes of the numbers up to 10. So it goes on like this, and once you are done with that, if you can see, there is a trend here that the cube root of 1 ends with 1, okay, and the cube root of 4 ends with 4. Okay, we ignore the 2 and the 8 for now, and then you see that the cube root of 4 ends with 4, cube root of 5 ends with 5, cube root of 6 ends with 6, and again we ignore 7 and 8 for now, and then we have the cube root of 9, which ends with 9, and of course 10 ends with 0. So the only odd ones out are 2, 3, 7 and 8. So there's a trend here as well. If you can see, the cube root of 2 ends with 8, and the cube root of 8 ends with 2. Okay, so here we have 2 and 8, which are a pair, you can say. Then you have the cube root of 3, which ends with 7, and the cube root of 7 ends with 3. Alright, so again 3 and 7 are a pair. So that's all that we need to remember here, and otherwise the rest of the numbers end with the same number. Alright, so now what we have to do is, let's take the first one. You go 17576. Okay, so we have to find the cube root of this number. So you take the units place digit, which is 6. So 6, the cube root of 6 ends with 6 itself, so we just put a 6 here. So our answer is going to end with 6. Okay, and in square roots, if you remember, you striked off the first 2 digits. Here you have to strike off the first 3 digits. Alright, so once you strike off the 3 digits, you have 17 here. So 17, again, like if you remember, as in square roots, you need to find a number which is equal to or less than 17. So we do not have an equal here, so we have the one next is 8. Okay, the next lowest number is 8, so which is 2 cube. So your answer is 2 here. Okay, so the final answer is 26. You can see this is 26. Isn't that super easy? Okay, let's do the other one. Now there is 14887. Okay, again the same thing. Take the units place, which is 7. Okay, now as I told you that 3 and 7 are pairs. So when you have a 7 here, you will put the answer as 3. If you had a 3, you will put the answer as 7. Okay, and then you strike off the first 3 digits for the cube root, and you have 148. Now let's find 148, a number equal to 148 or less than 148. So it is 125, which is 5. So we have the answer here, which is 5, so which is 53. 53 is the answer, you can see here. Isn't that super easy? Okay, now let's do one last one to make sure we are going good. Okay, so it's 493039. Okay, we take the first digit. 9 is 9, doesn't have a pair, and then you strike off the first 3 digits. You have 493. Let's check out 493 here. We do not have an equal number, but you have a 343, which is the next lowest one. So 7 is the answer. So we have it here 79. 79 is the answer. Okay, I'm sure you found it super easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. I am soon going to put in some very easy maths tricks to make it super easy for you. Alright, thank you, see you, bye.